Hey, right, it's Guy here, thanks for coming back to my channel. So I'm in the middle of filming loads of like tutorial and species specific stuff for the Spider Shop UK and I need to pull an egg sac. So I thought one of the egg sac that this has got is one of the species that I need to film for the website anyway. So blah 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 blah. Heteroscodra maculata, it's up there now. What I'm going to do, I'll just pop out her retreat, and then I'll seal up one end, get her out one end, pop her here, and then while she's here I'm going to kind of rearrange her enclosure quickly, and then hopefully take some video and take some stuff for the Spider Shop, and I'll show you bits and bobs as well, and then pop her back and feed her. Now it's been well over 3 weeks, I should imagine, for this egg sac to be dropped, and she's dropped it in a really weird place. So usually, like Heteroscodra maculata, they will put it on something flat. Last time she put it against the glass, in the corner of the glass, and she dropped 2 egg sacs in exactly the same place. This time she's dropped it inside the cork tube, which is a bit of a complete bastard, to be honest, but let's do that. So here's that, right? That's where she dropped the egg sac last time. It's still really thick there, isn't it? But now she's in this cork back tube. Now I'm going to just take her out, the whole thing out, pop it down here so we've got some room to move and you can see, and we'll just get rid of the enclosure for just 5 minutes. So first things first, we're going to make sure that she doesn't fly out. Just pop it there. And we can get rid of this. Okie dokie, so give me a sec. Alright. Best thing I've ever bought, this is. Okay, so. Right, I have a feeling this is the egg sac's going to be here, right? So we want to get her out. So she's going to be here. Oh, I can see her feet. I can see feet. Dead roaches. Alright, okay, cool. So let's see if I can just tempt her out here. So you can't see much at the moment, but I've got to concentrate for this. Usually I would say do this away from you, so that the spider doesn't run straight at you. My back's going to go now, I know it. Clear this off. Oh, there you are, darling. I can see feet, I can see feet. Oh, what's that there? That might actually be a bit of egg sac there. Is it only small, is it? That might actually be it. I don't know what's down there then. Right. Let's have a look here. So I think it's there. But it could be there. You know how fast and crazy these spiders are. Let's move this out of the way for just a sec. So I've got some more room here. Come on. Ah, she's biting. Oh yeah, of course. She's not coming out that end. That end's plugged, right? So where is she now? Oh, she's in a threat pose at the top, isn't she? Of course. Is that an egg sac or what? How about I just try and take this? Hold on, you know. That's an egg sac, yeah. So there's an egg sac, it's a tiny little egg sac. Do you want to see it? See if I can show you. It's just there. That white bit there. See it? Right there. maybe, and there's more, I've never heard of them doing more than one at a time, but there's the same kind of thing down here. Let's try and open this without completely freaking out here. Right, there we are, I can peel it off. Can I peel it all off? Done. Is that it now though? Yeah, I think that's it. So let's pop that there. So yeah, really small egg sac actually. Tiny, tiny little egg sac. Oh shit, that's sat. Oh God, man, be careful, will you? Right, let's pop it back into her enclosure. To be honest with you, I think I will feed her, give her a couple of days, and then take some photos and video for Spider Shop. There we go. Cheeky spray here. Let's have a quick look into this one. Instantly tell it's an egg sac, but the type of webbing they make and the feel of it when it tears. Nearly through. I just don't want to pop any eggs or anything that could be inside. Oh, one more. There's lots of eggs there. I think this is a rotten egg sac, guys. I can't see properly here. My bloody hand's shaking here. I should just cut it, I suppose, but I like doing it this way better, just in case, you know. Oh, I think I caught an egg there. Yeah. Yeah, these are not good, man. You can see in this, what's happened in there is that it looks like a few have gone black on the inside and moulded everything up. So another one, for fuck's sakes. I don't know what's going on here with my luck. A single decent one, unfortunately.